What you'll need to set up the LIghtHeart Duo: tent, ridge pole, 8 stakes, carbon fiber awning pole, 2 trekking poles, or 2 aluminum tent poles sold separately on the LIghtHeart Gear website. Step 1. Stake out the 4 corners of the tent. The lower tie-out cords should be taut when all 4 corners are staked. The top tie-out cords should be slacked. Make sure the walls are parallel and squared off. Step 2. Unzip the awning or leave it closed during rain, and the front mesh door. Sit inside the tent and attach the ridge pole to the ceiling with 2 Velcro straps. Place the 2 trekking poles next to you. Now with one hand, raise the ridge pole above your head. Step 3. The trekking pole set to 130 centimeters. Place the tip into one opening of the ridge pole and slide the handle to the floor patch. Take the second trekking pole and insert the tip into the other opening. Slide the open section down to the patch and lock at 130 centimeters. 4. Step outside the tent and tighten the top tie-out cord on all 4 corners by pulling the cord taut. The bathtub wall should now be vertical. Inspect the floor inside. If it is not flat, adjust the corners by moving the stakes as needed. Step 5. Stake out the center tie-outs on the side walls. Apply light tension to these tie-outs. Step 6. Ridge vents have a short plastic stick at the bottom. Velcro this to the tent cover to open the ridge vent. Step 7. To set the awning up, take your carbon fiber awning pole fixed at full length. Place the aluminum tip into the grommet at the end of the awning. Place the bottom of the awning pole at a medium angle to where the awning is taut. Stake out the tie-out cord straight down from the top of the awning. Stake out the rear fly. Step 8. To collapse the awning for storm mode, leave the stake in place, release the tension on the tie-out cord, remove the awning pole, and with the carabiner provided, clip all 3 reflective tabs together. Pull on the end of the tie-out cord to tighten the awning down so it is folded and looks similar to the rear fly. Step 9. Ventilation. Optionally, you can roll the awning up to an elastic loop near the top. Unzip the awning and roll the left half of the fly to an elastic loop and tie it back with a toggle in the back of the awning. The right side can be rolled up and tied back with a loop and toggle. Unzip the rear fly and each half can be rolled to either side of the walls and tied back. How to fold the tent. Collapse the vents, remove the trekking poles and ridge pole, remove the rear stakes and release the tension on the line locks on all 4 corners. Fold the carbon fiber stays parallel, including the vent stick. Fold the tent in 4ths. Remove a stake from one end and fold that end towards the middle. Start rolling the tent to the other end. Make sure all stays and plastic sticks line up. It will be difficult to roll the tent up otherwise.